Hello, in this video I will show you how you can install Google Camera on POCO M7 Pro. First thing you have to do is by going to the Play Store and search for this phrase GC Amateur app. You have to download this GC Amateur and after that you have to open it. Now in here you have to go to this section GCA something, I don't know, but this is the section, and you have to search for the POCO M version. And if I'm recording it at this moment, there is no POCO M7 Pro version, there is only POCO M6 Pro version. So let's install it, click start downloading, and now you have to close this app, of course, and now wait for downloading. As you can see, installation is finished. Now go to open in folder, and here you have to select files. In my case, Google Files is not working, so let's go to the files, and now you are able to find these files over here. Just simply open it, and now you have to enable installing from unknown sources. So go to the settings and now select allow from this source. Now you have to select I'm aware of the possible risks, wait a couple of seconds, and then click OK. Now, do you want to install this app? Click install over here, and after that it's scanning for the viruses. So wait for the scanning, and now you are able to open this app by clicking over here. So as you can see, now you have to allow the permissions, and this is the Google Camera. You can adjust these settings and use the Google Camera just like that. And also, if you want to open this Google Camera, you are able to find right now the camera app. It looks like that, and it is on your home screen. This is the Google Camera. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.